Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by opening screen resolution so you can change values safely. Right-click the desktop and select Screen Resolution. This brings up the control panel for display. Make sure the monitor is connected and powered on because Windows only lists active displays. Note the current resolution and orientation, write them down or take a photo so you can revert if needed. Once done, you will be ready to select the right monitor and proceed to change the resolution using the built-in controls. You now choose the correct display and set the resolution. From the display drop-down, pick the monitor you want to adjust, then move the resolution slider to the recommended setting or a custom size you need for applications. Click Apply to test the change. Windows will preview it for about 15 seconds. If the image looks correct, click Keep Changes, otherwise click Revert or Wait, and it will return automatically. Make sure to check text size and icons after applying to confirm readability. You finish by confirming orientation and multi-monitor layout, then finalize color depth and advanced settings if needed. If the desired resolution is missing, update or reinstall the graphics driver because drivers expose supported modes to Windows. Should the screen become unreadable after a change, wait for the 15-second revert or press ESC. If that fails, restart into safe mode to restore the original resolution. One key troubleshooting tip: install
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.